Yo, yo, yo. It's little LA Stay Live back again with another bird chakra video. As you can see, we have different birds attending. I'm going to be speaking about each bird that comes through, so y'all just be patient. Go ahead and hit the like button, share, and subscribe with your family and friends who like to bird watch. Stay tuned. This bird here is the northern flicker. The northern flicker, you can tell, is part of the woodpecker family, and you have the cardinal. The cardinal and what they have in common is their red feathers. The red feathers is part of the root chakra, the money chakra. So you're tapping into a frequency that is ready to give you some money. So pay attention. The titmouse. The titmouse, very fast, very small. It has a lot to do with the heart chakra when it comes to the gray. But some of its black colors also resonate with the root chakra, the base chakra. The titmouse is very fast. They seem to be a little bit more quicker when it comes to receiving food, as you can see the tail of a titmouse. The titmouse um, vibration is definitely higher than the root chakra when it comes to the heart chakra. So you may see it move a little faster and to receive the breadcrumbs that you see here a little faster. Because being small and slow in nature may not help. As you can see, the northern flicker has the same color as the titmouse, but its head is on a slower vibe. So when it attends the breadcrumbs, you would see it move a little slower due to its frequency. So pay attention to the colors out in nature. That's what I'm speaking about. And you guys will learn that vibes and colors connect. And that's what chakras are all about. So you want to know about chakras, your prism system, which has a lot to do with the rainbow colors. Um, Stay tuned. The titmouse has this black beak with a great coat. As you can see, his belly may be a little white, feet may be black. When it comes to the black, you're dealing with the base chakra. When you're dealing with its coat, it's dealing with the heart chakra. White tends to be a color that's out of the chakra's body, and so I won't be speaking about that. But the titmouse is dealing with the base chakra, which is aka the root chakra, and the heart chakra. Here we have a cardinal. the coat is not as red, but it deals with the a black coat and a red coat. That's because the black and red is on the same frequency. It's the same chakra, dealing with the root chakra, aka the base chakra. Cardinal beaks are orange. The next level up is the sacral chakra, which deals with orange colors. So it's tapped into the same frequency at some terahertz, uh, are the numbers that deals with each level of vibration. And orange, black, and red at some point has the same frequency. And so you would rarely uh, see a cardinal outside of a orange beak and those colors due to its frequency. It's stuck on that same frequency. And so it's hard for the cardinal to escape those colors, is what I'm trying to explain. You just seen the northern flicker fly away. We're going to come to the end of this video as the birds just may be full. I want to thank you for watching to the end. It's Little LA Stay Live. Share the video, like, and subscribe. Thanks.